So good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday. This is gonna be the beginning of the vlog. So if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Shayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not here, then welcome back. So yeah, like I said, today is Sunday, so we are doing Sunday breakfast, okay? Usually I could work on Sundays if I want to, but I love having Sundays off. So we're gonna enjoy this Sunday. I'm not really doing anything today. I just came back from the store, so that's about all the outside we're gonna get into. But today I'm gonna make me a nice little breakfast. What else? I'm gonna work out, maybe take a bath, edit another video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just basically big chilling, a little sprinkle of self-care. So I'm kind of reset for the week, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much what we getting into today. So what I'm making for breakfast is some pancakes, y'all. I was gonna say I haven't had pancakes in a while, but actually I haven't made pancakes in a while, but I had pancakes like a few weeks ago. Anyway, I'm excited to actually make some, I guess you would call homemade. Anyways, that's about as homemade as it's gonna get. Some sausage. I don't usually eat sausage, but I'm in the mood for some sausage. I usually eat turkey bacon, but I don't want to take a break from turkey bacon. I'm probably gonna eat turkey bacon tomorrow. And then some eggs here, and I got a few other things for the week. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. I don't know if I'm gonna record me cooking because I'm gonna be a little all over the place because I haven't done these in a while. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we'll see what we're doing in a few seconds here. So what I was gonna say was, I'm happy, like I'm excited to make breakfast, but I'm like, dang, I want to cook for somebody. Like my boyfriend's at work, so I can't really cook for him. My grandma's at work, my mom's at work. Like, damn. So it's just gonna be a solo dolo meal, but it's okay. I'm enjoying me time, so it is what it is.
Yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch round this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my niece. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Yeah. Let talk, I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her to me.
And then we got our orange juice right here. All right, this is how my breakfast is looking like. I put a little bit of chocolate chips in my. Let's do a little taste test. Decent. Not as sweet as like IHOP, but good to my liking. Sausage good, real easy. Can't go wrong. Some people put syrup on their eggs. Have you guys ever tried that? I had a little syrup got on the eggs, and it's actually not that bad. But no, I'll stick with ketchup because just let's keep the pancakes sweet and not the eggs. But yeah, I like my pancakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast, and I'll check back in with you guys in a couple. So it is later in the day, And I'm currently I've been cleaning for the last hour, and now I'm about to take me a little bath. I haven't took a bath in a very long time. Also, I worked out too, so I've been pretty productive for this lovely Sunday. So yeah, I'm about to take a bath. I haven't took a bath in a while, and it just sounds real relaxing to do. So I had got some Dr. Teal's here body wash. I've heard really good things about this brand, but I've never used them before, so I'm super excited. It's supposed to be soothing and basically help you go to sleep or promote a better night's sleep. So then I have this oil here. This oil here that is supposed to be a bath and body oil. Give you moisture, which I definitely could always use some moisture. I want to smell it though before I go adding it to my bath. There we go. Yeah, it smells good. I'm gonna add both of these two. Hopefully it's good for sensitive skin, because I don't want to be breaking out. I also have this stuff too. I've used before. Yeah, this. So I've used this before. This is from the brand Slope and Glory, and y'all, it smells so good. Like, it smells like candy. So I might add a little bit of this shit in here too. But yeah, I'm excited because I just got these. This was like a few things my stepmom and sisters had like added to like my little gift. So yeah, I'm excited, and I just cleaned this bathtub. It's like my mama's bathtub, and she don't ever take baths, so it was collecting dust. So I put my hard work into clean this. So yeah, we finna take a bath. And also, I forgot to say this, but if you don't take a bath and then a shower, you're nasty, okay? Sis, we take baths and then we take showers, okay? Because we soaking in our dirt, and it just makes sense not to take a shower afterwards, to rinse off, clean yourself again. Like, come on now. So I hope folks be doing that, because that's what you gotta do when you take a bath. Y'all, happy Monday. So I've been pretty productive on this lovely Monday. I went to the gym, which I haven't been to the gym in a very long time. Made myself some breakfast, started editing a video, and now I'm currently about to go get my hair done, because as you see, I took my hair out, and so now I'm gonna get my natural hair done because it's been a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I will check back with you guys once we get there. This is how my hair looks outside of my braids, and I put some like wild growth oil in it earlier this morning so that like it can like sink in and help this hair growth, you know what I mean?
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, you'll take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more closer to me, oh, giving me size. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage, you could do damage, you do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're open with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me size. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right.
Alright, y'all, so we back. Let's check. Can't really see it in this lighting. But anyways, we back in business. So this is how my hair is looking. I need to start getting my hair done more frequently. Like, because I notice when I get braids or I get wigs, like my hair is not as thick anymore as it was before. So I'm definitely gonna start like tending to my hair because I don't like it being thin. Like, that's just not a good look to me. So I definitely need to start being serious about my hair. And I'm also gonna invest in some products, some like good hair products, because that's also can be a factor. So yeah, I might have to hit up Sephora for some good hair products, and that's gonna be expensive, but I don't care. I'm serious about my hair. But anyways, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna go back home and finish editing this video because it needs to go up on Wednesday. Okay, I'm not playing. Since I'm out of school, your girl's gonna be more consistent. I wanna make some noise. Have you guys listened to the new Ty Dolla $ign album? Because anything that Ty Dolla $ign produces, makes, is in, it's a hit. Period. Okay, you just cannot go wrong with Ty Dolla $ign. But anyways, let me put down this camera because motherfuckers don't want to mind their business and want to be all up in my car. So I'll holler at y'all when we get home.
Mega volumes with like hybrids and classic, you do.
What's up, y'all? As you can see, baby, we back in business. My lashes were looking really empty, and I hit my girl and was like, hey, I need an appointment because I can't go another few weeks or another week. So she was like, oh yeah, I got this opening, and she was able to fit me in, thank God. Now we're headed to go out to eat. It's currently almost 8 o'clock, still kind of light outside. I've honestly been chilling at the house the whole day, not really doing too much. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys later. Happy Monday, y'all. So I'm currently on my way to Target. We're about to go check out their candles. I've been needing a few candles, so we're gonna do a little candle shopping. Yeah, we just going into Target with vibes, no list, no nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all on with me and let's go. Did you guys know that Target sells Levi? Look at this. And we got different pants. These are cute. But for this price, I don't think so, sis. So I found the candles. Y'all, this one smells like a whole man. It's giving Old Spice body wash or cologne, whatever. But I don't know if I want my room smelling like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the candle I got once we get home, but I do got a few more errands to run. But yeah, why was this mom and daughter in Target? And mind you, the daughter's like 2, 3 crying. And the mom's just yelling at her like, if y'all don't take your asses to Walmart, okay, we don't do that here in Target. Okay, so we are back home. Don't mind my hair, it just came out of a ponytail that was real tight. But anyways, let me show you guys the candle that I got. I got this candle called the White Pomelo. I think that's how you say it. And this gives off very like an orange sweet smell, and I kind of really like that smell, so my room's gonna be smelling real sweet and good. Anyways, I showed you guys that that one that smelled like was given very much Old Spice. Yeah, if I was gonna buy one for like the living room, or like if I had my own place, then I would buy that one for like the house. But as far as my room, no. Or maybe like the bathroom, but not for my room. So that's more for like a man if he wants to lit up his house and smell like that. Definitely recommend for a man. But men don't really like candles, or am I wrong? Anyways, also I stopped off at Crumble Cookie. They had one of the flavors that looked appealing to me, so I had to try it. I always check out, I don't know if I said this before, but I always check out their website every week to see if they have any flavors that I want to try. And it's kind of like a hit or miss. It's either it's really good or I could have saved my calories. There's no in between. So, but I got this flavor called Cookie Dough. That's how it looks. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try it after I eat my dinner. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my evening this lovely Monday. So I'm gonna end this vlog off here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below what else you want to see on my channel, because I am doing more than just vlogs, even though vlogs are my favorite. But yeah, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.